How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram followers and following list step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in the settings and activity section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as account privacy. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you are in the section, simply toggle on the option labeled as private account. And once you do that, the only people that you approve as the followers can see your followers and following list. And here, if someone don't want already follows you, you can go to the followers list and tap remove next to their name. And if you don't want to hide followers list from the specific people completely, then you need to block them. And after blocking, they won't be able to see your profile, followers, and following at all. And that's it. That's how you can hide your following and followers list on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.